1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hi guys, this is the box opening of the June 2017 card kit of the month from Spellbinders. They're on sale right now. It's a great deal. Normally I subscribe to Spellbinders card kit of the month and I love them. But the cool thing about Spellbinders is that you can skip a month. I sent them an email, asked them if they would suggest something, and they sent me to their past card kits. So here's June I ordered, and October. So we'll go with June first. This is from 2017. Okay, so you get an inspiration sheet. Looks like glue dots. The whole sheet of glue dots. Your 10 cards and 10 envelopes like they always do. You get some ribbons. I like ribbon. You should see my drawer. I have a whole drawer of it. So that, I'm telling you, Spellbinders and me, and I like their style. It's the same thing that I would pick. It's right up my alley is what I'm trying to say. Some little ephemera pieces in there. Oh, that looks like fun. This is great. Beautiful butterflies with some gems on them. Some word embellishments. It looks like some frames. How cute. Adored. Oh, how pretty. I just love this. This is going to make making cards so easy. And I have a couple of events coming up, so I need to get cooking. Oh, snap. Oh, how cute. These are great. The girls are going to love these ones. I have a retreat that I'm going to in Mesquite, Nevada. And I sell my cards there. You get a set of cutting dies. I mean, for $9, just these cutting dies alone. It's already worth $9 right off the bat, right here, right? You get the insides and the outer sides of these two 6-sided shaped pieces. You get some flowers. You get a speech bubble. I don't have one. I love this lettering here. A banner. That's awesome. That's going to stay out forever. I'm going to use that all the time now, I'm sure. And I'm assuming these are wonky flowers or maybe some fun leaves that come out from behind. It depends. I guess you can make it whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cutting dies. It's less than $1 each. Then you get this sheet of gold word embellishments. Hello, happy, lovely, hashtag pearls, some rhinestones, some enamel dots. These are cute. I love the key. I won't use the buttons most likely. I'm not sure if I'll use that flower. I might. And then some more stuff. And then you get your foam tape. Now this part blows my mind. I don't know why other companies can't do this. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. I did Simon Says Stamp last month, and they gave me 3 pieces of paper. 3 pieces of paper. I don't think paper is the most expensive thing to buy. I'm just saying. Here, look at what you got. I haven't even counted yet. Black cameras. Beautiful roses on some print. Oh my God, this is right off the bat. Look at this. And this actually does look a little dated, but that's okay. It's still pretty. It'll come back in fashion. Look at that. Beautiful gold paper. That's such nice. And all of these are good quality. This is their standard cardstock. I'm not sure of the weight of this, but you can always tell it's Spellbinders because of it's textured. Can you see that? Up close, the texture. And their envelopes, or no, their card bases are made out of the same stuff too. Right there. You see that? Well, that's it for that box opening. I didn't mean to cut it so short on you, but I wanted to keep it sweet and short. And I've got one more box opening and then some inspirations for you.
And I'm going to be doing quite a bit more. There's so much in these kits. It's such a great deal. You should go check it out. I'll put a link in the description for you. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Bye.